Hey guys, Nick from Fluidampr. Today, another frequently asked question. Do you guys make custom or one-off pulleys? Or dampers, really? Unfortunately, we do not. The costs for engineering and machining and then testing, they're extremely high. So to make a one-off damper would be extremely expensive, and it really just wouldn't be cost effective at that point. However, if there is a market for the damper, we are always willing to listen to recommendations. Somebody, if there's an application we don't cover, we're always willing to listen to them and see if it's something we might be able to put out in the future. There are some customers who will modify dampers that closely fit what they have, even though it's not engine specific. They will modify it to make it work. A note on that is when you do modify a fluid damper, you do void all the warranty. So keep that in mind if that is a route you take. But again, if there is an application that we don't cover and you would like to inquire about it, feel free to shoot us an email, support@fluidampr.com, or give us a phone call. We're definitely willing to listen to it and look into it. Until the next video, we'll see you guys soon.